Hello and welcome back, students. So today we are going to start the next topic, that is joints. So what are the joints? As you know that there are number of bones present in our body. So they are the places where two bones join with each other. बहुत सारे places हैं हमारी body के अंदर. The places where two bones join together. So those places are said to be the joints. And there are number of joints which are present. It means different number of joints अगर present है हमारी body के अंदर तो उनके functions भी different होगी. That is their movements are also different. Like ball and socket joint is present, pivot joint, hinge joint, gliding joints are present. So we will start with the first one, that is ball and socket joint. So this is present in our shoulder mainly. तो इसमें क्या होता है, there is a bone which is in the shape of ball. This type of joint is a ball-like bone that fits into the another socket-shaped bone. Means एक जो bone है, like let us take this is a socket. इसके अंदर एक बॉल जैसी जो बोन है वो फिट होती है एंड इट कैन मूव इन एनी डायरेक्शन. ऊपर नीचे मूवमेंट है जो पॉसिबल हो सकती है लाइक दिस. इट कैन मूव इन अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन ऑल्सो, इन डाउनवर्ड डायरेक्शन ऑल्सो. तो हमारी बोन इन ऑल डायरेक्शंस इट कैन मूव. सो दिस इज द बॉल एंड सॉकेट joint which helps in the movement of the arm in the almost all the direction. Like it is present in the shoulder, also in the hip joint जहाँ पे हमारी जो legs joint होती हैं with the pelvis, where there are also the ball and socket joint is present. Next comes the pivot joint. What is the pivot joint? This type of joint is found between first and second bone of the vertebral column and it allows bones to twist around one another, like it is allowing nodding of head and movement of from side to side. Means जो हमारा पाइवट जॉइंट होता है, जो फर्स्ट टू आप यू कैन सी फर्स्ट टू वर्टिब्रेस वहाँ पे इट इज़ प्रेजेंट एंड इट हेल्प्स आवर बॉडी टू मूव इन अपवर्ड. हमारा हेड है जो अपवर्ड एंड डाउनवर्ड डायरेक्शन में मूव कर सकता है एंड इन द साइड्स, दोनों साइड्स मूव कर सकता है, नॉट इन ऑल डायरेक्शंस, राइट. There is one organism that can move its neck in all the direction, that is owl. I would like to tell you कि owl एक ऐसा bird है organism we can say which can move its head in all the directions 360 degree पे, but we cannot move our head in all directions. Clear? Also this type of joint is also found in the radius part of an elbow. Elbow का जो radius part होता है जहाँ पे कोहनी होती है हमारी, तो there it is also present which is responsible for the movement, right. Next is the hinge joint. What is the hinge joint? Next comes the hinge joint. What is the hinge joint? This is a joint in which two bones join together and allow the movement of the bone in only one direction. आपने hinges देखे होंगे in the विंडोज़ के hinges क्या करते हैं, वो विंडो को एक ही डायरेक्शन में ओपन कर सकते हैं हम, दूसरी डायरेक्शन में वो ओपन ही नहीं होते बिकॉज hinges की एक लिमिट होती है, right. In the same way hinges are present, hinge joints are present in our body also, which allow the movement of the bones in only particular direction. जैसे legs की movement होगी, arms की movement होगी, तो they move in a certain direction only. जैसे हम आर्म को बिल्कुल अपने खोल तो सकते हैं बट उसको ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन में नहीं मूव कर सकते. देयर इज़ ओनली वन डायरेक्शन in which we can move our arms. So this is the hinge joint. Here next comes the gliding joint. Gliding joint में क्या होता है, there are one or more bones which slide over each other, जो एक दूसरे के ऊपर रब होती रहती हैं bones. That is the gliding joint. And in this case there is the movement that is side to side, the one from left to side, the right and right to left, and that is one is from backward to upward, means downward upward direction can also be there, right. Like joints in the wrist, ankle and the backbone. Even in the foot also जहाँ पे ankle होता है, there is a gliding joint present which helps in movement, side to side movement and upward and downward, or you can say forward and backward movement is there. Clear? Next comes that two bones join together by the ligaments. दो bones आप एक दूसरे के साथ किस चीज़ से जुड़ी होती हैं? That is the ligaments which join the two bones with each other, and the ligaments are very strong and they are stretchable. They can be stretched, elastic होते हैं. That's they can be stretched for the long distances. Clear? They provide support to the bone and while allowing the flexibility. Like हमारी bones arms जो है stretch हो सकती हैं, they are only because of the ligaments which are present here. And further जो हमारी जो tendons होते हैं, they are the tissues which connect muscles to the bones. अभी bones are connected to other bones by the ligaments, whereas the bones are connected to the muscles by the tendons. Here, this practice zone 3 we will discuss in the next in the separate video. So we are left with the one topic that we will discuss in the next video. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.